my spirit is really starting to get down. I'm starting to miss home and my family. And at times like this, you have to just stop thinking about survival for a minute and do what you can to keep your spirit up. Now for you, if that's thinking about your favorite place in the world or maybe your family, then you should do that. For me, it's trying to remember why I like to be out in nature in the first place. And the best way to do that is to nature dance. Let's go.
What a feeling. Music now. Beings believing. Rhythm now. Pictures come alive. You can dance right through your life. What a feeling.
I feel much better. Now let's go find something to eat and get out of here.